Samsung has begun mass-producing what it says is the industry's first 512GB smartphone chip in line with the built-in universal flash storage specifications eUFS 3.0. Samsung said the new solution is 4 times faster than SSD SATA solid-state drives, 20 times faster than typical microSD cards, and would allow a premium smartphone to transfer a full HD movie to a PC in about 3 seconds. Technology is expected to reach next-generation smartphones, including the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Fold. These are particularly impressive numbers since Samsung launched an eUFS 2.1 solution just a month ago that was half as fast. We have not seen a leap of this generation in Samsung's internal storage technology for more than 4 years. The new 512GB eUFS chip will be released this month, along with a 128GB version. Samsung also plans to start manufacturing a 1TB and 256GB model in the second half of the year.